Hi, I want to talk to you. I've been working on the camper today. It is going to rain. I did get one vent in right here. This is the new vent. I do have the wires left out here so I can tie onto this light. I have not got to the other one because it's going to rain. I do have the dicor here. I did put dicor up on the roof. Now dicor, it skims in about 5 minutes. It takes 4 hours to become waterproof, and it takes literally 30 days for this stuff to dry fully. So once you get that on, don't expect to just reseal your roof immediately, because you'll end up pulling this off. I did buy some universal vents. As you can see, there's a gap here. It's pretty close on this side. It's real good on the back, and on the front you can see a gap here. Now our roof was so bad, some of the boards actually twisted on the inside when I was screwing this down. So double check that. Even if you have to put some kind of bracket in there to keep that stable, double check that and make sure your boards don't shift before you tack anything down. Unfortunately ours did. I can show you right here, like it would be on this side over here, but this piece on the other one, more or less on this side, the front, actually moved and shifted. Now here, apparently there's some wire ran here. I believe it could be for a 12-volt fan that's running off this light. I would have to see. Yeah, stuff sticking to my shoe. Now these vent covers here do not fit these vents. To get it to fit, I had to cut down right here, this entire line to right there, as you can see right here, all the way around. Alright, here's the old vent I took out. As you can see, it is completely just, oh man, it is bad. I would get on the roof and show you the roof, but unfortunately I'm not wearing my belt right now. My pants keep trying to fall down, so I may try to climb up there real quick and show you what it looks like. Alright, that's the new vent. And remember, the hinge goes on the front when putting a vent up. Alright, but that's what I've been doing. And this is a Vanguard model T1900. And we did get our small water pump in. I just haven't installed it yet. Like I say, I mean, you can see the clouds. So it is going to rain. Midnight. Come here, you. Oh, getting dirty. Oh, getting dirty. Yeah, look at that dirt. Anyway, that's it. I just want to show you that. And remember, 5 minutes for it to skim, 4 hours for it to become waterproof, and 30 days to dry, and that's with dicor. Alright, that's it. This is an update, and I hope this helps you out, or give you a little thing on what I'm doing here. I'm fixing to go. My batteries are dead on this camera, and once I replace the other vent, I'll probably update this video. Alright, that's it. Bye.